Hello everybody, today I'm going to introduce you a multi-purpose medical camera. This multi-purpose medical camera is digital, portable, diagnostic camera with 3 different lenses attachment. It consists with handset and the lenses. You can take pictures and videos while doing the examination and share them real-time or non-real-time with somebody from distance. You can also keep them as record to just monitor disease progression. This upper portion of the handset, a touch screen in the front and a lens install slot at the back. In the middle of this install slot is a sensor that captures images. It also generates with white LED light source. Down here is a rolling wheel. It is used to change focus or brightness of the images, or can act as a button to take pictures or videos. Inside the handle is a battery cassette. The standby time for the battery is around 7 days. Operating time under video mode is 3.5 hours. Charging time takes 3 hours. On the bottom is a Type-C USB connector for charging and data transfer. These are the 3 optical lenses: otoscope lens, dermatoscope lens, and high-definition general lens. Now I'll show you how to install and remove the lenses. Hold the handset and the lenses with each of your hands, and align the lens mark, this white dot, and the handset's mark, another white dot, together. And turn it clockwise to install. Turn it counterclockwise to remove. To place a specular, put it on top and turn it clockwise. The otoscope lens offers an enhanced view of the external ear canal and tympanotic membranes. You can capture the color, position, and translucency of the eardrum. The dermatoscope lens allows examination of the skin surface to identify or measure skin lesions. No liquid agent is needed for this scope. The general lens has a focus range from 30 mm to 4 m. It is used to capture high-resolution images of easily accessible areas of the body or oral cavity, like mouth and throat, wounds, or body parts. Now we will turn on the machine by pressing the power button for 3 seconds. Do the same if you want to turn it off. It takes 25 seconds for the startup process to finish. Now the camera is on, and this button goes to record, so you can review all the record from here. When you press this square, it gives you the record. You can review your record like this. Basic settings. The patient information. If you put it on, then this patient information will show on your result. You see all the patient name here. If you turn it off, then it won't show. Tap on this icon to enter the patient information. Patient last name and first name, and then the date of birth, gender. Save. And now the patient name will show here on the screen. If you want to remove or change to another patient, you can modify from here. If you want to just totally remove all the information, tap delete. Now this is empty. This UVC model is to use when you want to do real-time image transfer. Here the font size and time setting language. For this about, be very careful with this factory data reset. If you press this and click OK, you will clear up all the memory and you lost all the record files. This question mark actually leads you to the self-study page. It tells you how to manage this device. You can go through it again when necessary. Now let's go through otoscope module. Under this module, tap here to choose the right ear or the left ear. And this one is manual focus or autofocus. So you can adjust from here to focus manually. This one is the brightness adjustment. Use the rolling wheel to adjust the brightness. This is to get ready for taking pictures or video. Taking pictures, when you turn it, it takes picture, or you can use your finger and do it like this. Under the dermoscope module, you see this ruler. Dermatoscope ruler unit. You can use millimeter or inch. Usually we put millimeter. You can change its place according to the skin lesion you want to measure. Here's the brightness. You can adjust it. Usually you don't take video, you take pictures. Under the general lens, you also have autofocus, manual focus, brightness adjustment, and then video or images. Greet the patient and explain about the procedure. Set the patient in comfortable position, sitting on the same level as the patient while operating. Standing position is also possible for the examiner, depending on real situations. Tilt the head a bit to the opposite side of the exam ear helps to expose the ear better. Start examination always on the good ear. Pull the ear upward and backward, using your right hand when examining the right ear and left hand when examining the left ear. Take video or image and save it in record by tapping the relevant buttons. Greet the patient and explain about the procedure. Hold the handset and put the lens against the skin area to be checked. Take photo, video, and adjust by tapping the relevant buttons. Greet the patient and explain about the procedure. Hold the handle and move towards desired position. The lens should be about 35 mm from the required image. Take photo, video, and adjust by tapping the relevant buttons. Precautions when using the camera. Prevent hitting or dropping the camera to hard surface. Avoid excessive force on the lens. Avoid dust, splash, or water. Avoid sudden change of temperature to avoid condensation. Keep the camera away from electromagnetic equipment. Never leave the camera and the battery in a car or on a car hood in the summer. Refer to use manual for further instructions. Cleaning and disinfection. Turn off the device before cleaning. Disinfect the control unit and charging adapter with a soft cloth with alcohol disinfectant. Wait for the cleaning liquid to dry before turning the power on or charging. Clean the optical lens with a cleaning cloth or lens cleaning tissue. Clean the position of dermatoscope lens which have been in contact with patient before each use. Replace disposable spatula before each use. Do not sterilize the device. Storage. Surrounding storage temperature are from 0 to 45 degrees. Relative humidity should be from 50% to 95% without condensing. Recommended to remove battery if storage over 2 weeks. Troubleshooting. Fail lens recognition. Remove the lens and check if there is any connection pin or surface problem. Make sure the connect pins and surface are okay, then place the lens again. Illumination does not work. Change lens to see if the illumination control are normal otherwise. Cannot turn on handset or short battery operation time. Check if battery is charged or if battery is in good condition. Thank you for watching.